With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, we are asked that the diffusion is off. So we discuss what the diffusion is. So diffusion is simply the movement of substance, right? It is the movement of substance. Now the movement of substance occurs from where to where? So this movement of substance, it occurs from the region of high concentration to low concentration, right? It occurs from the region of high concentration of the substance to lower concentration, right? So now if we discuss about the diffusion, so it is very prominent in case of the gases and then in liquids, right? And then in liquids. So it is found to be seen in case of gases and liquids, and in case of the gases it is very much more prominent, because in case of the liquids, in case of the liquids such as water, the prominent feature of movement of liquid material is known as the osmosis, right? So here the diffusion is the movement of substance, and what type of substance? More prominently the gaseous substance from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration, and it is not that seen in case of the solids, right? So if we look at the option here, so the option 1 says that it is of one substance depends on another substance. So diffusion doesn't depend on the substance, it rather depends on the concentration, right? So because the diffusion or the movement of substance occurs from the region of higher concentration to lower concentration, so it depends on the concentration and it doesn't depend on the substance. Then the option 2 is that only means of gaseous movement in plants. So this is correct, because in case of the plants where the gaseous exchange or the transport of gases or the movement of gases occur only through the diffusion, which occurs from the stomata which are present in the leaves. So stomata basically the pores from where the gases move in and out in the plant. So we can say that option 2 could be a correct answer, right? Then option 3 is basically an energy dependent process, so it is not the energy dependent because it is the concentration dependent, right? Here the substance is moving towards the concentration gradient, as in from higher to lower concentration, right? It is not moving from low concentration to higher concentration. If it moves against the concentration gradient, then energy is required, but here the movement is from high to low, so that is why no energy expenditure is seen. And now option 4 is that solid is more common than gases or liquids. So as we have discussed that because the diffusion is more common or is more prominent in case of gases and then in liquids, and this happens because their particles, they move randomly from place to place, they have the space between the particles, right? So that's why diffusion is more common or prominent in case of gases and liquids, and it is not found to be seen in case of solids. So this is also wrong. So the only option which is correct here is option 2, right?
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.